In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Wave with Google Sheets using Wave Connect. To begin, open the browser where you have your Wave account logged in. Once you are on your Wave dashboard, the next step is to create a Google Sheet in your Google Drive. To do this, open a new tab, and on the upper right side of your screen, you'll see a grid icon. Click on that grid and then select the Drive option to open your Google Drive. If you're using another browser, you can simply search for Google Drive and open it from the top result in your search. After your Google Drive opens, it's time to create a Google Sheet. Click on My Drive from the left-hand menu. Then, right-click anywhere on your screen, and from the options that appear, select Google Sheets. Once your sheet has been created, you are ready to connect it with your Wave account using Wave Connect. On the top menu, click on Extensions, hover your mouse over Add-ons, and from the side menu that appears, click on Get Add-ons. You'll see a search box appear on your screen. Type Wave into the search box and hit Enter. After a moment, you'll see Wave Connect appear in the search results. Click on Install and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your Google account and allow the necessary permissions to continue with Wave Connect. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a message saying that Wave Connect has been installed successfully. Click Done to close the installation window. Next, click on Extensions again, hover your mouse over Wave Connect, and from the new menu that appears, click on Connect Wave Account. You will now need to authenticate your Wave account. Click on Connect Account, and if you are already logged into your Wave account in the same browser, you'll immediately see a message saying Connection Successful. If you are not logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Wave login details to complete the connection. Once the authentication is done, you will see the message confirming that the connection has been successful. From this point onward, you can go back to your Google Sheet, and whenever you want to use Wave Connect to import or export data, you can simply click on Extensions, hover over Wave Connect, and choose the operation you wish to perform. We also have complete separate videos on how to import customers and how to import products and services into Wave, which you can find on our channel. And that's how you can connect Wave with Google Sheets using Wave Connect.